Now for the installation of the Delta shower. Quick inspection.
Make sure nothing's cracked. I've been there before where I can get all everything in and then realize there's something broken.
Oh no. That requires a full replacement, I imagine.
Yes, it does. Well, you can get panels, just one, from some places. Okay, that looks good there. So that looks like left panel.
This is a nail to stud shower unit.
Everything fits in perfectly. So we caulk the sides in there. That fits in just nice and everything's sitting down nice and flush down there. I like it. Okay, so that goes in there like that. That's down. That's down. That's all the way back. I don't like how that doesn't hold anything though.
Is it a shim requirement or?
No, it's just you strap down what you can. We'll nail here, nail along the top, nail there, and then this one will go in and slide right in, and then we'll nail her down. Everything should stick in nice and tight. Well, a lot of times what I'll do too is I'll put a little bit of caulking down on the bottom, and then I'll shim the bottom of it to kind of keep it in.
Okay.
So that fits in nice and perfect. Everything's gonna fit real good there. I can measure out that piece, get that cut, slide her in. She's ready to rock.
Wow.
Okay. Now we'll see if I can get lucky and get the drain hooked up without having to go in the crawl space.
Oh. Well, the good news is the access to the crawl space is really close to here. What do you think? Can the drain be installed from in here?
No.
No. Okay.
That's why I had you open it up.
All right.
Down below.
So we need to remove a couple more things. The door's open, but there's a couple of sticky traps down there that we'll get out of the way. Got the sidewalk tacked in, the one that has the shelves.
Such a huge deal. But if it's still got power to it, then yeah, I mean, it could. I mean, I'm not an electrician, so I don't know for sure, but
I'm sure you've seen plumbing that had grounding wires to it.
Yeah, a lot of the stuff that we don't. I mean, a lot of the times we are deleting that stuff now, anyways, because there's no need for it.
Okay. So we got part B tacked in.
Okay, she's fitting up good there, fitting up good there. 14 and 7. What they do here? Okay.
That's just a protective cap, I think.
It is. It's got more than that.
Oh.
Keep in mind, I am the plumber.
Yeah.
44. Measure 3 times, cut once, right?
Yeah.
14 and 3/4 and 7 is okay.
This was in the box in the shower.
Oh.
It's
Solder.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Which I don't.
Okay. So, here we go. Nice. Deburr it.
Oh, yep. There we go. Okay, is that gonna be 2? All the way back, all the way down. I like the seal. See, I don't like that one. That one sits it back just a little too far. That's not horrible. So that if they mud around that and not my valve. And then sometimes I put those on there to back the backup behind this plastic so that it doesn't pull too hard on it.
Okay. That's the protective cover to the valve.
Mm-hmm. This is the tricky one when everything stays proper.
Do you want me to press on it or anything?
No. I'm used to doing this by myself. It's almost weird for me to even let somebody help me because then I get a little... I'm like, I don't know how to tell you what to do.
Well, you're sure using your head now.
Don't tell my mama or my wife, please. Ooh. Oh, just broke it. Kidding.
I know.
We're cocked in the back there. That should stop everything from going where it's not supposed to go. We're in right there. We're in right there. We're in right there. Inline flame. Everything's nice and tight. Not much rubbish. No squeakiness. Nothing squeaky. No soft spots. Everything else looks like it's good. No rattling. Everything lines up good. We'll cock that in once they cock around it. Cock, cock, cock. Everything looks good. Everything's centered. Boom, boom, boom. Cock it in. Be done with it, boys.
Oh, okay.
He'll cock the edge. He should cock the edges.
Yeah.
Before we do everything and clean it all in there. Consider it done.
All right.